channel. Today's video we are going to be decorating tier trays in a lemon bee theme for the summer. As some of you may know if you've been watching, I'm working with only very limited space that I can decorate since my downstairs main floor is completely taken apart. Nothing to decorate. There's painting, flooring, all sorts of stuff being done. So I am limited to this space, which is in my basement right now. And I wanted to brighten it up for the summer and add some summer decor. That way I can concentrate on my main floor and getting that done. And then sometime in July, I think I'm going to be sharing all of that space once everything is completed. But I have been sharing some space along the way as I'm doing it, and that I'm going to continue doing that. But as far as decorating the main floor, that's probably not going to come till middle of July. So let me show you what I have here. So I'm going to be decorating this tier tray, which is one that I made on my DIY channel, as well as that one. So this one is from Home Depot. I bought it several years ago. Not sure if they still have it. I can see if I can find it, but I mean, any tier tray will do if you want to try doing it yourself. So if you know, I have a huge obsession with pumpkins. Well, lemons are pretty close second for as far as the obsession goes. But I have been fairly lucky at finding a ton of lemons at Value Village. So for example, these lemons, which came with apples, were $3.99, which I purchased. So every time I go to Value Village, I check their wall where they have all the things kind of put together. There's like art supplies, craft supplies, and then all like items they put together. And this is where I've been able to find all of these. So I found these. Then these ones have giant limes, a couple lemons, oranges, and some apples. This one, for example, this will probably be used for DIY because don't love the color of it. But there's a pretty realistic looking apple and a pear, some green apples, and tons of limes. Now, I don't think I'm going to be using limes to decorate my tier trays. But limes are great decor for your kitchen where you can just put them out in the bowl and they look pretty and you don't have to worry about them going bad. So some of these I had picked up at Dollarama, Dollar Tree, and Michael's, but I have been doing some DIYs with them for decorating, which tomorrow on Wednesday I'm going to be decorating this room and I will show you how I use these, but I just thought I share them with you. And then in here I have assortment of stuff. So I have a little, this was also in a bag, one like this. I just took it apart because I needed apples, but I have mini styrofoam fruits in here. And then I have little mini lemons as well, and then also mini limes. Also found, I don't know why that spilled on me, but I think this was in there. A little cut up, I think that was in here. It was 3 floating candles. Oh, this was in here. Little lemon slices, but they're candles, which I will just use them as a decor, which I thought they were pretty cool. So that's what was in there. And these, like I said, all came in one of the grab bags like this. And then so as I was showing you, I also have these, which are lime slices. I might use these in the decor, but I'm not 100% sure. And then just an assortment of more lemons that I had accumulated over the years. I thought I had some more lemon slices, but I'm not sure where they are. I'm gonna go see if I can find them. So I did not find any more sliced lemons. I do think I have them, but my house is such a disarray that I'm not sure if I took them out or where they went. So I'm just gonna work with what I have. So on the top of this tray, I did put some greenery last time I decorated, and I kind of like that. It's really small, not much I can do on top. So I'm going to work on these two. There's lots of room in between, so I should be able to maybe add a bigger sign or something along those lines. So let's get decorating. So a lot of my stuff is DIY, so just like this lemonade sign, I DIY'd it last year, and it fits perfectly here, so I think I'm gonna keep that there. I'm gonna take my larger cloche and add some of these lemons in it.
I know that I haven't been who I was. I am supposed to be the one you can trust. I feel so useless 'cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright, 'cause I know that you deserve much more than this. If you give me one more chance, I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go.
So I think this one is done. I really do like how it turned out. Very simple, a little bit of pop of yellow here and there mixed in with green and some natural elements. I think that just looks really nice together.
I just don't know what to do if you go.
So now we are going to be working on this one. This is, I love the size of this and all the things I can put in it. The only pet peeve that I have with this tier tray is that doesn't have a lot of space in between the trays, so you can put taller things in it. So I had thrifted this a while back for $6, and I can't remember if it was half price or not, but it still has the pesky sticker, and they put it right at the best part of the pot, the teapot. I'm just trying to remove it because I want to display this side. But it's such a pretty teapot. I thought it was perfect for my I think this is gonna look great in the kitchen too once my kitchen's done for the summer decor. But for now it's gonna go in here.
I've been so selfish and made you believe that you're not good enough, but you're all I need. I take you places that you've never been. I would give you the world if you let me try again. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go. one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go.
So this one is done. This one's definitely a little bit busier, but I tried to incorporate some of that concrete look that I love with a lot of bright yellow color and green, just to cheer this place up a little bit. Well, I hope you had enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know which part was your favorite, which one you preferred more than the other. And if you want to see any of the DIYs that I used here, which are a lot, make sure you head on over to my DIY channel. I just recently shared my top tier tray, lemon and bee theme decor, so make sure you check that out, because a lot of them are included in that video. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're stopping by for the very first time. And also, if you are returning, thank you so much for your continuing support and being so patient with me while I go through this renovation. And like I said, I can't wait to share all those videos with you. I'm just not there yet. Some things are taking a lot longer than I would have liked to. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.
I just don't know what to do.